know y'all heard that shit. That shit ain't sound good at all. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jafari back with another dope, amazing, positive, and inspiring ass video, man. It's not really so inspiring, and it's not so positive today. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we got a bad day. But it's not as bad as the last video, because this video, man, you know what I'm saying, it's the same day, by the way. But if you watched that last video, if you haven't watched it, go back and check that out. It's in the link below. But this video, man, is the car is getting picked up by the tow truck. So, you know, we got to spread it out, make these videos, you know what I'm saying, you know how I go, you know what I'm saying. So first off, let's get y'all subscribed, man, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you subscribe, hit that subscribe button, become part of the tribe. The tribe ain't nothing but a bunch of positive individuals doing positive ass shit. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. But as of right now, man, I'm about to put the car in valet mode. So if anybody don't know how to do like seen it go in driving mode before, so all you do is hit the SRT button, hit the SRT button, hit drive modes, and then right here, it's at the bottom, as you see, valet mode, inner valet mode. Can't show y'all that. And then you put the passcode in, and you hit OK. And now we in valet mode. Here, you want to talk to him real quick. Hey, what's going on, bro? You alright? Good. Does it move? Yeah. So I just got a flat, bro. So I got that's all it is? Yeah, I got a big ass boat in it, but I don't got no with these, you know, they don't do spares in the Hellcats. So right, you want me to just back it up right there? I was gonna say, if you can back it out, I'm gonna let my bed out. Yeah, back it out past this part. And I'm gonna let my bed out. You can just roll it up. So how far you want me to go up time? Some shit. Yeah. All right, y'all. So yeah, my bad. I had to talk to him. So. Shit frustrating, man. It's like, shit, if it ain't one thing, it's another. But that's the shit you gotta go through, man. It seems like always something bad always happen for something good happen, you know. And for the most part, that shit been true for me. So, you know, I've been it's been legit. Let me see. What's that? Yeah. What's up, bro? Oh, okay. Let me sit and park it real quick. Good. This shit is a process, y'all. I'm trying to get this motherfucker on here. That bitch ain't going. That bitch ain't. That motherfucker ain't icy right here. Yeah, I can't get that motherfucker up. Yeah, I already know. Damn, I can scrape. I think I just. At least I got them guards on there. I hope I ain't scrape my shit up. Yeah, back up. Yeah. Just go all the way back. Yeah. Everybody was telling me to take them damn guards off. Them guards just saved my ass a little bit. You feel? Think you gonna just turn it around? Oh, you talking so face that way now? Yeah, face this way. Yeah, that's cool. That way it's more even. Alright. Alright. I gotta get out and check that just to make sure I ain't fucking my shit up, man. Cuz ain't the brightest with this shit, you know. Feel me? This nigga ain't the brightest. I gotta make sure I check my shit. I ain't trying to keep riding around with this flat neither though. You know what I'm saying? My shit straight. Nigga had me do all this backing up and all this shit for this shit not to, for me to have to turn the fuck around. Like, this nigga is not bright whatsoever. Look at this nigga, bro. Like, that's far enough, my nigga. That's far enough, bro. Right there. So I still don't think I'm gonna be able to get that motherfucker up by driving it. So
yeah, I'm gonna hook it up.
All right, for sure. know y'all heard that shit. That shit ain't sound good at all. Man, this shit look like a roller coaster. Like we're going up a fucking roller coaster right now. What the fuck, bro? What the fuck was that, man? Y'all heard that shit, bro. Ah, damn, man. Now I gotta go over here, man, and have them put this shit on, man. Put this tire on. Hop in the GT. I'm about to follow him over here so I can drop this shit off. You know what I'm saying? We go from there. Dog, it is so fucking cold. It's so fucking cold, y'all. Like, it's fucking freezing. You know? I fucking hate my fucking cars up there, bro. Like, no cap. I feel like cuz having a hard time with it. I feel like something wrong. Heard them big ass pops and everything. I checked the guard and everything. Everything was straight. My baby, man. No, not my baby. Not my baby. I'm about to catch y'all when we get over to the next stop, man. I'll catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so we here, man. You know what I'm saying? Give a quick shot of the GT. All reliable in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I hate this shit, y'all. Y'all am I the only person that hate this shit, man? This shit. I fucking hate that shit, bro. I fucking hate that shit, bro. That shit is irritating. That shit is irritating as fuck. But yeah, man, we at the spot. I'm about to hop up in the whip. Pull this bitch off the bed right fast. My baby getting took off this morning. Good, hop in it. Man. I see that valet mode still active. Okay, niggas ain't about to be. Damn. Damn, hold on, shit. What the fuck? What happened? Yeah, when it was in neutral. You want me to let off the brake? I had put it in neutral and that bitch started going back. I said I had put it in neutral and that bitch started going back. So you want me to let off the brake? You sure? Motherfucker start. Hold on. Like my nigga, that shit is pulling, bro. I know these motherfuckers be going through people's shit when they be having their cars and shit up here, man. So that's why I be trying to lock up everything, do what I be supposed to do on my end. Make sure this shit be straight, man, for real, for real. So, I already know, these niggas be on some bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Alright, man, so I gotta figure out where I'm about to put this motherfucker, where they even want it. I gotta go ahead and talk to them, see what they talking about. Did they say where they wanted it?
They said they was just gonna drive it on in.
Okay, I'll talk to them. About to go ahead and talk to them and see what they talking about, man. Give me a second.
Where are the tires? You have the tires?
No, they were supposed to be sent here.
Let me verify.
Yeah, I called yesterday. They said they was here.
One tire, four tires?
It's just one.
Just one?
Yeah, just one.
One tire. I'll give you that one.
Yo, they got me nervous, bro. They got me nervous. Don't do that. Don't do that to me.
I'm like,
Can we get a set of tires in? I go, man.
Yeah.
Like, we didn't get no set of tires in. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, no, I called yesterday to verify. So I had went through a company called Simple Tire.
Yep.
Tire.
I'm
So,
trying to figure that crap out right now.
yeah.
I'm gonna do some little magic here because they make me jump through a couple little hoops, my friend.
So like I said, no, with that Simple Tire though, the Simple Tire, what it do is they get you the tire and they pay for, you can pay through the service as well. If you just getting like you replacing a tire or whatever the case may be. So make sure y'all go check them out. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, so y'all go check them out, man. You know what I'm saying? So definitely go do that because they saved me a lot of money on that tire, man. You know, so go check it out. He said it should be about an hour, so I'll come back up here in the Uber, you know, and pick up the whip. But that'll be another video, man. So if you watched this whole video, I just want to say thank you for checking it out. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, become part of the tribe. The tribe is nothing but a bunch of positive individuals doing positive ass shit, and y'all already know that. So hit that subscribe button, man. Become part of the tribe, you know, and all your dreams will come true. All of them. You know, you just gotta hit the button first. So once you do that, you part of the family, man. You part of the tribe, man. And the tribe, it's all about uplifting each other, you know, and helping each other out, man. So that's what we do here, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know everybody personally that watch my videos, but you know, with the information that I give it to y'all, just like with the whole Simple Tire. If you haven't checked them out, man, make sure you go check them out. Link is in the description below, man. You know what I'm saying? So I got my tire from there, you know. So, you know, we happy about that. But yeah, man, thanks for watching this video. It's your boy Jafari. Peace, love, and positivity, man. One love. We out.